Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving of December 23 question paper of CMA Foundation. Subject is Business Mathematics and Statistics. This is part 6. 43rd question. The probability of an impossible event is. This is a theoretical question. Straight away we can choose 0 for the impossible event. Next one. If X and Y be two independent events, then P of X, Y is equal to P of X, Y means it is probability of X intersection Y. For independent events, it will be product of those based on the multiplication rule. So this is the option A. Next one, the chances of getting a defective screw from two boxes A and B are 1 by 5 and 1 by 6 respectively. A box is selected at random and a screw is drawn at random from the selected box. It is found to be defective. Find the probability that it came from box A. So here we will define certain events. Let A1 equal to event of selecting box A. A2 equal to event of selecting box B. So there are only two boxes, so it is very clear that probability of A1 is half and probability of A2 is also half. Now they gave us a box is selected, defective screw, that becomes a common event. So B equal to choosing or not choosing, getting a defective screw, we can say. Getting a defective screw. That is possible in both the boxes. So it becomes a common event. Now what is given? The chances of getting a defective screw from boxes A and B are 1 by 5 and 1 by 6 respectively, which means probability of getting a defective screw, given that it is from box A, is given as 1 by 5. Then probability of getting a defective screw, given that it is from box B, is 1 by 6. This is also given. What we are supposed to find? You had randomly chosen a box and then you draw a screw from that box randomly again. That is found to be defective, means defective is already found. We need to find out the probability it came from box A. So we may notice that A1 and A2 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Since if you choose box A, it prevents you to choose box B. If you choose box B, it prevents you to choose box A. That is why they are mutually exclusive. Sum of these two probabilities is 1, so you can also consider them as exhaustive. And B is a common event, which is applicable for both box A and box B. So we are supposed to, we can now use Bayes' theorem. Using Bayes' theorem, we can find out now what is the probability it came from box A, means probability of A1 given B. So applying Bayes' theorem, it becomes probability of A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1, whole thing divided by probability of A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1 plus probability of A2 multiplied by probability of B given A2. Now substituting the values, probability of A1 is 1 by 2, probability of B given A1 is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 2, 1 by 5. This is 1 by 2. Probability of B given A2 is 1 by 6. So now we can Calculate 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. So denominators LCM is, we can consider 60, which means this is 6, this is 5. This is 1 by 10 again. So you get 1 by 10 multiplied by 60 by 11. So this goes with this 6 times. So you get the result as 6 by 11. So which one is the option? Option C. So that is the solution for this 45th question. Let us move on to the next one. Given summation P1 Q naught is 162.6, summation P naught Q naught is 110.4, summation P1 Q1 is 140.4. We need to find the last pair's price index number. So last pair's price index number is defined as summation P1, P naught, here it is, Q naught, Q naught. So P1 Q naught is given as 160, I'm sorry, the whole thing multiplied by 100. P1 Q naught is given as 162.6. P naught Q naught is given as 110.4 multiplied by 100. If we calculate that, we will get 147.28. So option A is the right option. Consider the following data. Year annual sales is given. We are supposed to find 5-yearly moving average for the year 2004. Now let us create one table having 4 columns. And then since there are 6 rows, we'll create 7 rows. Okay, first one is your year, then value. Here we calculate 5-yearly moving total. We'll calculate 5-yearly moving average. So years given as 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Values are given as 3.6, 4.3. Again 4.3. Then 3.4, 4.4. Last value is 5.4. 5-yearly moving total. So we need to add the 5 values, 3.6 plus 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 3.4 plus 4.4. We get 20. That we will be writing in the center of these 5 years, which is 20 here. And then next one, next to 5 years value, which means 20 minus this 3.6, then add 5.4. So we will get 21.8, which we will be writing it in the next row. We are supposed to find 5-yearly moving average for the year 2004. So straight away we can divide 21.8 divided by 5. We will get 4.36. So the option is B, 4.36. Let us move on to the next question. Given last pair's quantity index is 120.69, Paget's quantity index is 120.62, the Fisher's quantity index number is what? So Fisher is the geometric mean of last pair and Paget. So Q01 of F will be square root of quantity index of last pair multiplied by quantity index of Paget. Substituting the values, we will have 120.69 multiplied by 120.62. So after multiplying and taking square root, we get 120.65. So that is option D. Let us move on to the next one. The prices of a commodity in the year 2010 and 2020 were rupees 40 and rupees 50 respectively. Find the price relative of 220, taking 210 as base. So price relative PR is equal to price in the year 2020 divided by price in 2010 multiplied by 100, which is 50 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. So if we calculate that, we will get 125. Option C is the right option. Last question, 50th question. The component of time series associated with long time increase in sale of TV sets. So here we are talking about long-term fluctuations, which is nothing but your secular trend fluctuations. So that is the solution. So this completes our December 2023 CMA Foundation Business Mathematics and Statistics question papers.